Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. If you're looking for a simpler way to manage your finances, you're in the right place. Today, I'm reviewing Monarch Money, a personal finance app designed to track budgets and manage investments all in one place. But does it actually deliver? I'll cover the benefits, drawbacks, and whether it's worth the price. Stick around for a special discount code if you decide to give it a try. Monarch is all about simplifying the way we handle money by providing a holistic view of everything: bank accounts, credit cards, investments, savings, and more in a single dashboard. And the best part? It offers powerful budgeting and goal setting tools while maintaining top tier security, ensuring your data is safe. Now, this platform isn't just for the budgeting nerds among us. Monarch caters to a wide range of users, including individuals, families, couples, and even investors who want real-time tracking of their portfolios. And with its smooth syncing across over 11,000 financial institutions, you won't need to log into separate accounts or shuffle between apps. Everything syncs right here. I like Monarch Money because it keeps things simple. The clean interface makes it easy to track spending, set goals, and see progress without feeling overwhelmed. Whether I'm saving for a trip or just trying to spend less, it helps keep my finances in check. Another key feature of Monarch Money is how easy it makes sharing finances. You can invite someone to your account with their own login, so no more awkward password sharing. I tested this with my partner, and it made tracking our shared expenses so much easier. Whether you're saving for a house or planning a trip, having everything in one place makes money conversations feel way less stressful. What's really interesting is the feedback from Monarch Money users. Monarch Money has an impressive 4.9 out of 5 stars in the Apple App Store from almost 30,000 reviewers. A common theme I saw was how many former Mint users love Monarch Money. If you aren't familiar with Mint, they were a popular free budgeting app that closed down a while back. Monarch Money has a similar layout and functionality as Mint used to have. Another common thing I find in the positive reviews is how people like the user experience. They say the interface is very intuitive once you get used to it. While overall the reviews are positive, there are a few things people have complained about. Something I saw more than once is that people were having occasional problems with data aggregators. This isn't always an issue with Monarch Money. So I think it is important to note that if updates from your financial institution aren't timely, this could affect the overall experience. But from the many reviews I read through, this seems like the exception rather than the rule. The other main complaint I found was with pricing. Monarch isn't the cheapest app, so depending on your financial situation, it could be prohibitively expensive. I think by the end of this video, you will know whether it is worth the price tag or if you are better off with a free or cheap alternative. I'll get into the pricing in a bit, but right now I want to get into some of the features. After using the app myself, I can tell you firsthand that it's designed with a clear goal to simplify financial management without sacrificing depth. From checking and savings accounts to credit cards and brokerage portfolios, the app pulls everything together into one clear, easy-to-read dashboard. That means no more logging into 5 different apps just to see where you stand financially. Another selling point is that Monarch tracks not only transactions and account balances, but also gives you real insights into your investments. Whether you want to monitor how your portfolio is performing or break down your asset allocation, Monarch gives you the tools to keep everything organized. Another feature that needs mention is their goal-setting functionality. Personally, I think this is one of their best features. Whether you're saving for a vacation or working on paying off debt, Monarch lets you set up detailed goals and track your progress. You can even play with different scenarios, like what happens if you reduce dining out expenses or add an extra loan payment. I think it is very motivational to see how a few tweaks in your spending habits can pay off over the long term. The budgeting tools are where Monarch truly stands out from other apps I've tried. Monarch Money's budgeting tools offer a lot of flexibility. You can create custom categories, adjust how expenses are displayed, and even add emojis to personalize your budget. It's a small touch, but it makes organizing finances a bit more intuitive. For example, I wanted to track how much I was spending on food delivery, so I set up a separate category just for that. The app sends alerts when I'm nearing my limit, which can be helpful for anyone trying to stick to a budget without constantly checking their numbers. Let's talk pricing, because this is often where budgeting apps lose people. Monarch offers two subscription options, $14.99 per month or $99.99 per year. If you go with the annual plan, you save quite a bit. I know some users complained about the high price tag, as there are cheaper options. But honestly, for the quality of features you are getting, I think the value is there if you're serious about getting your finances in shape. They also offer a 7-day free trial, which is a perfect way to see if the platform fits your needs without spending a dime up front. Oh, and if you decide to go for it, there's currently a promo where you can get 30% off your first year with the code WELCOME. That definitely softens the blow of committing to the paid plan, especially if you're switching over from a free app like Mint. Check my link in the description to receive that code. So, is Monarch Money worth it? I think so. It goes beyond basic expense tracking, giving you a full financial picture with budgeting, investment insights, and easy collaboration. The customization options make it even more useful. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. If you've used Monarch Money, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Happy investing!